Did I just drop sticky rice on the floor? Hi guys, it's Angel. I know it's been a while. I haven't been ignoring you guys. I've just been sick these past few weeks and I've been waiting for my voice to recover. It's not 100% as you can probably tell, but I've missed cooking and I've missed making videos. So I am back in the kitchen today and we are going to be making a breakfast sticky rice recipe called Fàn Tuán. Now, if you're not familiar with Fàn Tuán, it's actually super popular for breakfast in Taiwan. A lot of street vendors make it. It's kind of a grab and go breakfast. It's super filling, really satisfying, and really good. And surprisingly, as I read through the YouTube comments, a lot of you have had Fàn Tuán before and have requested this recipe. So if you are interested in learning how to make this at home, keep watching. All right, for the ingredients, we are going to need some sweet rice, also known as glutinous rice. Now today I got two types of sweet rice. I got the regular white sweet rice, and then I also got some purple rice, which is super popular in Taiwan. It's actually black rice, but when you cook it, it turns the color purple, so it makes it really, really interesting. And if you're wondering why I'm mixing the rice, it's because I feel like the purple rice is a little bit more hearty and chewier, while the white rice is a lot more sticky, so I feel like it's the best of both worlds. In addition to the rice, we will also need some pork floss, which is just dried shredded pork. And if you're not familiar with what that looks like, they sell them in containers like this. I will also post links in the video description below. And we will also need some Chinese donut. You can use my Chinese donut recipe that I have, or you can also buy them from your local Asian grocery store and bake them or deep fry them when you're ready to use. Once you have all these ingredients prepared, we're now ready to cook our rice. The easiest way to make this is in a rice cooker, and I'm using 1 cup of white and 1 cup of purple rice, which I'm washing a few times under cold water, and then when I'm done washing, I'm gonna add enough filtered water to the rice cooker bowl up to the line that says sweet rice. Next, we're going to let the rice soak for 15 minutes first before putting it in the rice cooker, and this will give it time to absorb the water and become stickier. Now, once the rice is done cooking, which usually takes about an hour, give it some gentle fluffing and recover and let it stand in the rice cooker for a few minutes. This will make it fluffier. Now it's time to make our sticky rice roll. Prepare a sheet of plastic wrap and place it neatly on your countertop. Then take a spoonful of the rice and flatten it into a rectangular shape. Feel free to add more rice as needed to ensure all the corners are even. Next, I'm going to take half of the Chinese donut and split that piece into 2. Place 1 piece of the donut into the center of the sticky rice, and finally add a few spoonfuls of the pork floss. Roll the sticky rice tightly around the fillings using the plastic wrap to help you, and roll and press firmly together. Then unwrap and you're done. And that is how easy it is to make a sticky rice roll. Now, most of the time, Fàn Tuán or sticky rice is sold directly in the plastic wrap that they made it in, and then you just kind of peel and bite as you go because it's super sticky, so you don't really want to touch it with your fingers. But this one is really good. As you can see, I already took a bite out of it to taste test. Let me just take another bite here and I'll let you know how it tastes. Wow, so initially I taste the warm, sticky rice. It's sticky, so it's also very gooey. And then when I bite into it, I taste the Chinese donut and there's that nice crunchy texture there. And then at the end, I kind of taste the flavors of all the pork floss. It's salty and savory and sweet. It's really, really good and kind of just balances everything out. It's super good, and as you can see, it's like kind of a grab and go breakfast snack. Really convenient and easy to eat. So if you guys like sticky rice, definitely try this recipe out. Anyways, I'm Angel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.